Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here today. I have a few little things I need to get done around the house today, so I thought I'd bring you along. I need to put some dishes in the dishwasher and unload the dishwasher. I need to work on some laundry, so just a few little things around here that I need to kind of get squared away. My friend has a consignment store that has the most beautiful things in it. So I thought that we would go over there for just a little bit and do a little bit of shopping so that I can show you what she has. It is the cutest place ever. So before we get to all the other things, I wanted to take a moment and share with you a beautiful luxury designer handbag sent over to me from the company Dodo Top. I absolutely love this company. I've worked with them before. They have great customer service, and they have anything that you could possibly imagine. I mean, they have the most beautiful bags and other things on their luxury items. If you are in the market for that, the holidays are coming up, so it might be a good place to go do some holiday shopping at. But I did want to take a moment and share my handbag with you. They did give me a coupon code, which I will have right here on the screen. Also, I will have the website, the link to my purse, and my coupon code down in the description box for you too. Okay y'all, let's get this thing unwrapped because I am so excited. I have admired this bag for a very long time. It comes with your paperwork and receipt. It comes in a beautiful dust bag to keep it protected while you're storing it. And I chose a black couche. I love this bag. I have admired this bag forever. So I was so excited when I had the opportunity to get it. It is just so good. It's just really high quality. It has the beautiful embossing on it. It has the insignia on the hardware. It has a zipper pocket on the back. Inside there. So it has this top handle here. The inside is such good quality. It has like that pebbled leather look. I love it. It has your tag in there. It has 3 slots for things on the inside. It's just got that black velvety feel in there, along with your label in there. Let me put the strap on so we can see what it looks like. I did want to show you right here, it also has the emblem right here, the insignia. Here's the strap. It also has the insignia on it on both sides. How pretty is that? It also has this really pretty gold buckle in the middle, and you can adjust the strap. So if you want it shorter or longer, depending on your preference, it just clips on really easily, just like that. I really enjoy my crossbodies about at this length, so I am absolutely loving that. Is that not gorgeous? Thank you so much, Dodo Top, for sponsoring today's video. And like I said, I'll have the coupon code down here below, and I will have everything linked down in the description box, so make sure that you go down there and check them out. So before we get to all the chore things that we have to do, and before they close, I wanted to take y'all over to my friend's store. It's in Austin, Arkansas. It's called the Pink Door, and it is a high-end consignment boutique. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to show it to y'all. There are so many beautiful things in there, and I thought it would be fun to take y'all over there and show you what all they have, in case if you're in the area that you could go over there and shop local. But it is just the prettiest place ever. So we are going to head over there right now, y'all. I'm not going to do a lot of talking during this portion of the video because I want you to be able to just enjoy the shopping experience and look at all the beautiful items that she has. But if you are local to the Austin, Arkansas area, make sure that you stop by and see all the beautiful pieces that she has. Vintage is so in style right now, and she has tons of unique vintage things that you could gift for Christmas. There is just so much to see here. So make sure that you stop by, and I will link their address down below in my description box. That you have enjoyed this shopping trip, but it is time for me to get home and start getting the things checked off my list that I need to at home, getting the dishwasher unloaded and the kitchen straightened up and getting some laundry folded. As you can tell, it's dark outside, it's getting late, and I really wanted to get these things checked off my list before I go to bed because I hate to get up to a dirty kitchen. It drives me insane. I do it sometimes if I'm very tired. I'll leave it till the next morning, but I just really hate to. So I wanted to get all these things done. my dishwasher recently bit the dust, and I got this new one, and I love this thing so much. When we bought our house, it had a new dishwasher in it, but it was like that cheapest $200 to $250 dishwasher, and it lasted 8 years, and I'm so appreciative for it. But when my dishwasher bit the dust, I was like, I want to upgrade just a tad bit. And so I have always wanted the dishwasher with that top drawer in it for the silverware, and I am loving that so much. If you ever get a chance to get a dishwasher with that top drawer in it for the silverware, get it. My silverware are so clean. Oh my goodness. I know it's silly. It brings me joy. And, it's the little things, but I am so grateful for my new dishwasher. I hope you're enjoying your time here, spending it with me. I'm enjoying you so much. If you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for new notifications so that you'll see all my upcoming videos. I will have tons of Christmas decor and shopping haul videos coming up. So excited about that. I do not put up Christmas until the 1st of December because I normally host Thanksgivings, and I like to have my fall decor up for Thanksgiving and just kind of like live in that season. So as soon as everybody leaves, those Christmas decor bins are coming out. I am binge watching everybody's Christmas decor videos on YouTube and enjoying them so much. So I cannot wait to get my own Christmas decor up.
It's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to go down in my description box and check out my handbag and find you something that you like. Use my coupon code. And again, thank you Dodo Top for sponsoring today's video. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.